I've tested a lot of AI note-taking and recording tools over the years, and most of them, they seem to have the exact same problem. They lock in your transcription behind a subscription monthly fee, or they overcomplicate things that should be absolutely simple, like recording a conversation and turning them into usable notes. The Comulytic Pro caught my attention not only because it looks great, is slim and seamless, but because it approaches both of those problems differently. Now, the Comulytic Note Pro is an AI-powered recording and transcription device that is built for meetings, calls, interviews, and video conferences. And the most significant aspect, however, is that it offers a truly unlimited speech-to-text transcription with no recurring transcription fees, and that immediately separates it from most software-based tools in this space. When you buy the device, the core transcription stays unlimited. So what stood out to me right away is how simple it is. There is no app maze, no complicated setup, no cables, and you press one button and it starts recording and transcribing. And this matters in real-world scenarios, in meetings, interviews, client calls, and you don't want to think about the tool. You just want it to work in the background while focused on the conversation. And physically, it's slim, it's lightweight, thin enough to carry daily without feeling like another gadget weighing you down. Now, the core feature here is the unlimited speech-to-text conversion. No hourly limits, no monthly cap, no need to upgrade to any pro version just to keep using your transcription. But it is worth mentioning that they do have a premium plan available that is paid to unlock even more features that they give you with the free plan. So it is up to you to see if you want to upgrade to get more unlimited features. And that alone makes it very practical for heavy users. Next, we got the AI powered that summarizes and insights. And this goes beyond the raw transcripts. The AI can generate adaptive summaries, to-do lists, key action points, conversational and Q&A, deeper client insights. So instead of reading a full transcript, you can access something like, where are the main action items? And this pulls them instantly, and that saves real time. Now, this supports transcriptions and summaries in over 100 languages, which makes it very flexible for global teams or multilingual meetings. And with 1.5 hour charge, it can record up to 45 hours, which is very impressive for something this tiny. These are the microphones, and make sure you're not rubbing your hand against it or constantly tapping it, because it will pick it up and it will be ruining your recording. And for the storage and security, data transmission and cloud storage are encrypted in a built-on secure infrastructure, so you got the peace of mind. So I think what stands out is not just the AI functions, but the friction that it removes. You're done scrambling, writing notes, no worrying about missing the key details, no paying ongoing transcription fees. And I think it becomes less of a gadget the more that you use it, and it becomes more of your workflow tool. So if you're someone who takes frequent meetings, conducts interviews, creates content, or manages clients, this is a genuinely streamlined for your process. So the Comulytic Note Pro isn't just trying to be flashy, it focuses on what actually matters: unlimited transcription, simple one-touch recording, AI-generated summaries that are usable, and long battery life. So if you're tired of juggling note apps and subscription fees, I think this is a cleaner and more dedicated solution. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribing. If you are interested in getting one of these Comulytic Note Pro for yourself, we have a special discount down in the description below. Make sure that you click it so you can save some money on the way out. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you on the next video.